Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up a line of credit in QuickBooks Online. If you're running a business that relies on flexible credit access, properly tracking this in your accounting software is essential for accurate financial reporting. First, navigate to the Settings gear icon located at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This gear icon is your gateway to all the backend configurations and account management tools within QuickBooks. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for customizing your setup. From that drop-down menu, select Chart of Accounts. This is where you manage all the different accounts that make up your business's financial structure, from assets and liabilities to income and expenses. It's the foundation of how QuickBooks organizes your financial data. Once you're inside the Chart of Accounts page, look to the top right and click the New button. This action opens up a fresh account creation screen where you'll define the specifics of your line of credit account. It's a straightforward process, but each field matters for proper categorization. Now you'll need to specify the account type. Click on the account type dropdown and select Current Liabilities. This classification is important because a line of credit represents money you owe and it falls under short-term obligations that you'll typically pay back within a year. Next, move down to the Detail Type field. Here, select Line of Credit from the available options. QuickBooks uses this detail type to properly categorize and report on this specific kind of liability, separating it from other debt types like loans or credit cards. In the account name field, type a clear, descriptive name for your line of credit. For example, you might enter something like Coffee Shop LLC Nanging Company. This naming convention helps you instantly recognize which credit line you're looking at, especially if you have multiple lines of credit from different lenders. You also have the option to add a description. While this field isn't required, it's useful for adding context. You might type something like operating line of credit for coffee shop expenses to remind yourself or your team what this credit line is designated for. Finally, click Save and Close. Your line of credit account is now set up in QuickBooks and will appear in your chart of accounts. You can now track draws, payments, and interest charges against this account, giving you complete visibility into your credit usage and helping you maintain accurate financial records. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.